Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru. This is Miss Jam Tours.
Ready to?
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Thank you.
This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today guys, we're going on a mission. We have a Jamaican sister who live and work in the States. And I actually met her when I first came in 2021. So it seems like this apartment, she bought it in 2021 because I was there and we have like tea
Wait.
in Nairobi.
Wait.
So,
Sorry to cut you short. I missed that part. It's since 2021 and the
yeah,
shop is
because
not ready.
because I met her because I was there when she was buying it with the real estate agent with the person that was selling her and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, family. So a Jamaican sister hit me up because she purchased this apartment. It's like off the plan apartment. I just want to give you some information and guide your family when you're buying these off the plan apartment. You have to be very careful, family. So she actually sent me and said I should actually go and check and see what is happening, if work is going on and stuff. We actually call and they say the showroom is not ready yet. So as you know guys, we've been doing partnership with the Loftel Hotel. Loftel apartment family. And and the difference is different. I just want to share that with you guys and just to guide you that when you're purchasing off the plan, the deal might be sweet and you might be in your country and you say after 2 years or 3 years you want to relocate, so you'll have your apartment to relocate and stuff. So but you have to be careful. So what are some of the things that you should look out for when you're buying off the plan apartment? What are some of the things you should look for, Miss Jam Tours?
We start with the company.
Yes.
Whether the company is certified.
Mm-hmm.
Where they are building there is a title.
Mm-hmm.
Because sometimes just give you an empty thing.
Yeah. And that
I tell people this land is mine, but when you go to do the search, the land is not theirs. What else? Off plan, I feel like maybe people don't get that term. Off plan doesn't mean just buying an empty space.
Yeah.
It's not really an empty space like I just come here and show you this way we are building, so start.
You see just foundation and just like that. Even if you see just foundation, it has to be someone that has built already.
Halfway.
What I'm saying to you is that even if it's just foundation, it has to be from a company or a developer who you see build already. Them have like multiple of them build already.
Yeah. But for an apartment, the whole structure should be there. What should be remaining is just finishing. Building is done, but finishing is now the greater part. Now that can be called off plan, because of course before you plaster, you do the fittings of the wardrobes and kitchen and all that thing. Now at least you can purchase when it's like that. And
most important thing, the showroom must be done. So the showroom must be done so you can see what you're getting and know what the interior will look like and stuff. You cannot buy off plan and the showroom is not there. Nothing is there for you to see what it will look like.
Like this apartment Loftel. At least you can see what the Airbnb. I mean, what is this thing called? The small one? Studio.
The studio will look like. And you see the size and you can picture it in your head like or you want to set it up.
And then, despite the showroom being ready, it's not like the other bed sitters have not been built. They are all built. What is remaining is now what I'm talking about.
The interior, yeah.
It's just a little touch up. You see, like the 3-bedroom we went didn't have a kitchen top. Or some wardrobes are missing, something like that. So it shouldn't be like at it's super incomplete. It should be like at least 80%, 70% done for you to start making your payments.
Yeah, family. So we'll let you guys know that when you're buying off the plan.
So I was shocked to call that guy, sorry to cut it short, and I asked him whether the show house is ready, and he's like, it's not yet done. So what is
from 2021? I will have to go and get some information to ask them when they start.
And based on when you came, I'm imagining it's quite a long time.
Yeah, it's quite a long time. And
I don't think it's really a big. Well, let's go and see.
Estimate time for an apartment to finish with is like maybe 1 year to 2 years.
Well,
maybe 3 years.
We can't really say how long. It depends with how many floors you're doing. It depends with how many houses are on that floor. It depends with many other things. You see, like Loftel, they'll have a gym, they'll have a swimming pool, they have a kids play area. You get all
everything, and
so it depends. But if it's just a plain apartment, it's part of like 24 months. It should be done.
All right, family, let's go and see, so our Jamaican sister can see what is happening and see, family. But we just want to make this video for you guys who are coming, for you to understand, you know, what off the plan mean. It doesn't mean that foundation or empty space or the ground or whatever. It should be up and running, and you see that every day work is going on.
Even groundbreaking shouldn't give you the go ahead to pay. Because you know groundbreaking, right? The way the graders come to remove the soil to start the base. It should be at least, because sometimes, let me tell you, there's something we call it's called city council or something. Guy, what of them? She's not. Well, I didn't tell her to be in that rush.
To go away.
I told her to ask this lady for cleaning. If she can get a salon there.
Yeah, family. So as I'm saying to you is that you shouldn't be in a rush. It shouldn't be a case where, because if you rush like that, it could be a case like it's a scheme. They have to wait till the apartment actually sold before they bill. They have to wait on people payment. They have to wait on a lot of stuff. You have to make sure it's a reputable company, a developer will just bill, whether or not somebody pay or, you know, or buy off plan or on plan. It doesn't matter. The bill will be up, and when it's ready, it will be sold. So you have to make sure that the company, developer that they're doing it with, it's somebody that built elsewhere a number of time, and you see that this company are a reputable family, because you'll be paying, and when you finish, you still get in your apartment when you finish.
It's good to go to these reputable companies.
Because even with Loftel, if you pay right now 50%, and you have another 50% in 12 months, 24 months, the apartment is there. By then, it will be ready, because, you know, I mean, everything is ready. It's just the final touching. Yeah, family. So let's go and see what it's like. Let's go. Where it is again? It's on what?
Sukari and Thika Road.
And what's the name of the
Sukari Heights.
Sukari
Heights.
Heights.
Name is just as...
So let's go to Sukari Heights and see what they have. And they said the one bedroom is going for how much? 5.85
or 5.5. No, 5.85.
Okay, and Loftel is how much?
One bedroom. 5 million.
5 million thereabout. Yeah, so it's the same price, or, you know, cheaper, better, luxurious. But let's go and see what it's like. Let's go.
Kumefensiwa na nini ya green, ile neti. Yeah, I'm still on tarmac. I've already turned right at the junction, so I'll see the gate. I'll see the gate somewhere to turn, or nitaingililia wapi? Hii fence ni ya green, ya neti. Okay. Yeah.
So it's a what is this video?
This one, I'm not sure. They said they're fenced.
Yeah, neti. So it's a lot of apartment building there, man. Yeah, family, so we're actually on site at the location. As you can see, you know what I mean. So let's go in and see what it's like, family. Let's go in and see. I think we turn right here, right?
I think so.
Sukari Heights. Let's go. Get some information on this apartment.
Oh, now we'll enter through this school.
Or we enter through there.
Of course.
Yeah, family. So that is the apartment our Jamaican sister sent us to look at. We're gonna go inside and see what is happening, what is going on, and let you guys know, family.
So wait, the tab is, it looks like there's not even an entrance.
I think it's here. I think the entrance is here. Is here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's here. We can go there.
With all this ditchy, look at there.
There's another turn. Maybe it's on the other side. Let's go on the other side and see.
Let us before we pass.
Or maybe it's here.
Because kuna hizi vibanda hapa sio? Juu hata nishapita because I can't see anywhere to pass.
And you go all the way around.
Nimepita vibanda and all that, so I'm still on tarmac. I didn't see anywhere to pass. Let me see.
Where's the CD?
You can go back there, somebody to pick us now.
Go back where?
There, at the vibanda.
Oh, so we'll go back there.
Okay.
Yeah, family, it's pressure. Pressure. One under pressure finding this place. Pressure. I wonder if our Jamaican sister ever been there yet.
Okay.
But it's pressure finding this family. It's on the other side. And we have to send somebody for us and all kind of thing. So we'll wait and see. But if it was me.
What is annoying me is that there is not even a road to pass.
Yeah.
Right? Those ones look so nice.
Yeah, those ones look very nice. Yeah.
I was wondering whether they're the same.
Okay.
Only for him to tell me it's those blood clots.
Oh, those ones is very nice. They're building a lot here. Yeah, family, but I don't know if this is the entrance.
How can it be the entrance? In this sewage? Yeah, let's see them written there, Sukari Heights.
Sukari Heights, it's Sukari Heights. I see maybe we can park somewhere.
Let's first cut this thing. We get somewhere. Look at the road. So ditchy. Look. Even a car cannot pass there.
I wonder if this is the
We'll have to go all the way with all these
we
big.
can go right here. Car is like a 4-wheel TX drive.
I keep saying that. No shot your car.
Alright, family, so we at Sukari Heights. I wonder if that's another way to come out.
We just stay here, we go inside,
here.
we see our thing and done.
And let's just park here, family. And let's go. Let's park and let's go. Yeah, family, so we're actually on site at the moment to find the location. And this is the building. This is actually Sukari Heights. It's a very tall building, as you can see. Looks big. We'll have to get some information to see what is happening and how long they've been building this and stuff. They say it's they're gonna have supermarket, pharmacies, amenities and stuff. And that's the house. They say the showroom is not ready yet. As you can see, it's still actually under construction, as you can see. But well, let's go and meet the agent and see what they're saying. We can get some information for our Jamaican sister. So family, so let's go. Let me see if my jam tourist call the guy and see what he's up to. Yes, sweetie, you call the guy? What him say? What him say? Eh?
Somebody's coming.
Okay. So they say somebody's coming, family, so we're just waiting at the moment. But this is what it looks like. So let's just wait and see who is coming and what information they got for us. Alright, let's wait. Them have an office here?
No.
Okay. So if we want more information, we have to get information from that guy we call, right?
Yeah.
We just need to look at the house. Okay. Alright, just maybe sit here then, sweetie.
Yeah?
You can sit right here, right? I'll just go and look and come. Alright, just sit. Alright, hold this then.
Ni venye niko naogopa naweza anguka.
Hapana, iko nafasi, hakuna mahali penye nitaruka au nini.
Endeni tu muone ni sawa. Mtaona picha.
What are you saying?
No, he was telling me I can walk, but
You don't feel like going? Yeah, because of our condition. Let me just go and look at it so I can tell our people and stuff. Alright, let's go. Okay. Alright. Wow, look at this. This safe, right? Lord. Yeah, family, so we're actually on site to Sakari home. So when you guys gonna finish this? When it's finished, like complete?
Complete.
Yeah.
It will be April.
April 2024.
Yeah.
Alright, family, so April 2024, this will be done. Okay. Alright, let's see. So you guys have what? One bedroom?
1 bedroom.
2 bedroom?
2 bedroom, 3 bedroom.
3 bedroom.
2 bedroom.
Okay, so yeah, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom. Okay. Alright. So here it says like the hallway.
Lift.
Oh, the lift. Okay,
Yeah.
lift right here.
Yeah.
Okay, lift.
From there we go to 2 bedroom.
2 bedroom, okay. 2 bedroom.
Bedroom is here.
Okay. This is what the living room.
Yeah.
Living room.
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Pantry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Alright.
Balcony.
This is the balcony.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Right. So when the showroom will be ready? Showroom.
I think January.
January. Okay. You guys have to move fast, man.
First bedroom.
This is the first bedroom. Wow, first bedroom. A little small door, but
Second bedroom.
this is the second bedroom. Master bedroom. How many baths? How many bathroom? This is the first bathroom.
Bathroom.
Okay.
Bathroom.
Okay, 2 bathroom. Okay, nice. All right, so this is the 2 bedroom. 2 bedroom. All right.
1 bedroom is here.
1 bedroom.
Yeah. We have never to put the partition.
Partition. Okay. So this is just like a bed seater right now.
Open.
Oh, open. Okay. So this is like a bed seater. Studio. Okay, studio. Okay, yeah. This is like a studio family. Okay. All right, bathroom. Kitchen right there.
Kitchen.
Yeah. And then here says a bed space and you're living in one.
Yeah.
All right.
3 bedroom.
3 bedroom. All right.
3 bedroom. Have DSP.
Okay.
Sitting.
Okay, yeah.
Sitting room.
Sitting room. Okay. Yeah. Sitting room.
Sitting room.
Yeah.
From there we go to the kitchen.
Kitchen right here.
Kitchen area.
All right.
Open kitchen.
Open kitchen. Okay, nice.
From there we go to the stood mini desk.
Oh, this is servant quarters.
Yeah.
Servant quarters here.
quarters,
Yeah, servant quarters. Okay.
Yeah.
And that's the balcony right here.
Yeah.
Balcony right here.
Hey. Wow. And we're gonna now I should
Okay.
from there you go bathroom.
Bathroom. Okay. Bathroom here.
Toilet.
Toilet. Okay.
The first bedroom.
First bedroom right here.
Uh,
First bedroom. Okay. First bedroom.
second bedroom.
Second bedroom right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
From there we go to the
Master bedroom,
master bed.
which is here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And then balcony.
Balcony right here.
Yeah, master bedroom.
Master bedroom balcony.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. All right. Nice. All right. Perfect. All right. So what we'll do?
From there we go to another 3 bedroom.
Another 3 bedroom. What is, this one is different.
Yeah, different.
Okay. Okay.
So this one is just only pantry.
Okay.
Not in customer quarter.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is yeah, sitting. Yeah.
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Pantry.
Pantry. Okay.
Pantry area.
Yeah.
Balcony.
Balcony. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a balcony. Okay. Nice.
From there we go to the bedrooms.
Bedrooms.
Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Toilet.
Toilet.
The first bedroom.
First bedroom.
Second bedroom.
Second bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
From there we go to the master
The
bedroom.
master bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the master bedroom
Master
family.
bedroom. Yeah.
Okay. This is it.
Now,
Balcony is right there.
now there.
Okay. Nice. All right. Great. All right. Yeah. So that is it for now.
Yeah. No. Yeah, that's the whole.
Yeah.
This 3 bedroom.
Oh, 3 bedroom.
Yeah. It looks like the balcony.
Okay.
It's the same with that one.
Yeah, the servant. This one has servant quarters.
Yeah.
Okay. Bathroom.
Uh,
Okay.
First bedroom.
First bedroom. Second bedroom.
Then we enter the master bedroom.
Master bedroom.
Master
Yeah.
bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Uh,
Yeah. All right.
Toilet.
Toilet. Bath.
Yeah. Kitchen.
Kitchen right there.
Pantry.
Pantry. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Balcony.
But okay. Nice. So this one don't have a servant quarters. No servant quarters. Okay. Okay.
Corner to corner.
Corner. This is servant quarter. Oh, okay. Corner to corner. Servants.
Corner.
Uh-huh.
This corner.
Oh, okay. Okay. See.
Servant quarter.
Servant. Okay. All right. Nice.
So this one is the same with that one.
With that one. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
3 bedroom.
3 bedroom. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. All right.
iko na nini? It's a 1 quarter.
Yeah, servant quarter right there. Corner to corner, as you say. Corner to corner.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Nice.
Bedrooms. Kitchen.
Kitchen right there.
Toilet.
Toilet. Bathroom.
First bedroom.
First bedroom.
Second bedroom.
Second bedroom.
Yeah. And master bedroom.
Master bedroom. Okay. Nice. All right. Nice. So you have a nice balcony out here to see what is happening. All right. Nice. Nice. All right. All right.
From there we go to another studio.
Another studio.
Yeah.
All right. Let's
Corner
see.
to corner.
Corner to corner.
Studio.
Okay. So if you're gonna choose, it's best to choose a corner one.
Yeah.
Corner.
Yeah.
So first come, first serve. Wow. This studio is very big.
Studio.
Studio. Okay. I tell my people to choose a corner house.
Yeah.
So the corner house still available? Are they sold out? Corner house sold out? They're still available? Still available?
Yeah.
Okay, I can get one. If I want one, I can get one.
There's a mini studio. Available.
Only one available?
I think 7th floor.
Only one available?
I think.
Everyone is gone already, family.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, so it's only one available. And it's on 7th floor.
Yeah.
Corner studio. Corner studio. Okay.
We have another 2-bedroom.
Another 2-bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one,
Yeah, sitting area.
sitting area, yeah. Kitchen,
A
pantry,
and balcony.
balcony. Okay. They can put your washing stuff.
Yeah. From there we have got bedroom.
Bedroom, right? First bedroom.
Bedroom.
First bedroom.
Toilet at that.
Toilet right here. Okay. Another bedroom. Another bathroom. All right, families. Right, guys. So as you can see, guys, that is it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then ground floor is a parking area. Parking.
Parking area.
Yeah.
We have got parking area. And we have got the supermarket.
Supermarket. Okay.
And we have got the something area for the bank.
Bank. Okay, you guys will have bank. Okay. All right. Great. All right. So.
Then we have got another parking. Underground.
Okay. Underground parking. So each person how many parking? 1 parking, 2 parking?
I think so. It will be 2 parking.
2 parking per person.
3 parking.
3 parking. Okay.
This is the underground area.
Underground area. Okay. Let's go and see.
Yeah.
We're going down to the underground area, family. Underground.
It's very too big.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh, it's big. Yeah, underground parking.
Yeah. This all area.
All area, wow, parking. Okay, nice. Parking, family, parking, nice. All right.
And we have got alcohol, even ball.
You guys have borehole on site? Okay. You guys bore it already?
Ball, yeah.
Okay. So the borehole is there, and the water is fresh, not salty. Fresh water. Okay, family. This is the borehole, family. As you see, it's set up like this. Pumping up and stuff.
So main gate it will be here.
Oh, main gate will be right here. Main gate. Main gate. Okay, perfect. Go down, or you can go this way.
Yeah.
And how many apartments? How many
houses?
How many houses?
All houses they are 80.
80.
80.
Okay. All right, family.
So
So
every unit it have got 8 houses.
8 houses.
Yeah.
So it's 8 floors.
First
Okay. All right, family. So it's 80 house, as you can see, and this will finish
Every
it.
unit it have got 8 houses.
8 house.
Every unit.
Every floor.
Every floor.
Every floor.
Yeah,
Okay. All right. Perfect.
Yeah.
All right. So in April 2024,
Yeah.
this will be ready.
Yeah. It have got 10 floors.
All right. Perfect. I don't know, family, but I'm scared of this right now. I don't know how these guys do this. Hey, sweetie. It's nice. It's nice so far. Yeah.
Okay, I've seen the photo.
Yeah. All
I
right.
don't think I would have managed.
All the way up.
Yeah. It's
All
nice
right.
inside?
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay.
Agent.
Oh, hapa kuna barabara chini. Na sikuona barabara nikikuja.
Barabara
Hii
kuingia nini?
tumekuja na hii ya lami, sasa kuingia kwa apartment.
Kuingia apartment unaweza kwa hivi.
All the way around.
Oh, unateremka.
Lakini sasa wakati tutakamilisha kila kitu tutaweka hii barabara itaandikwa cabros pale kwa radi.
Oh, itawekwa
Sasa, kwa bridge hapo.
Okay.
Tutakuwa sasa
Ndio
unaingia.
kunakuwa na entrance.
Eh,
Okay. Sawa, asante.
asante.
Haya, tumeshukuru.
Hata sisi tunashukuru sana.
Haya.
Na karibuni tena.
Thank you.
Tuwaweke na mono. Yote yule kulia gani?
So today there's no workers today? Okay. Lunchtime. Okay. All right. You see what you say about the house, but the driveway. Now what I'm saying about where the driveway will be this way. Oh, this way. Okay. All right, family. So that is it. Let's go. Yeah, man. Thank you. Yeah, family. So it's, as you can see, that is it. My personal opinion though is very small, and you know, I mean, as I said, this is April 2024. So I don't know if that will be the case. So we just have to wait and see. So the workers is actually on lunch, as you can see. So
you know your wife now.
yeah. So
I was left interrogating the soldier. I've asked him. So how come there's no road for entering here? I mean, we are clients, so you don't just expect me to leave my car anywhere. And he's like, oh, I even don't know how the others normally come because they've not yet really put a road yet. So I'm being told it's the road that we are going to put cabro. But let me tell you, in every construction, I've been in the construction industry. They all start by making the roads.
Yeah.
There's no way you can just start up a construction and I mean the place has to attract you first.
Yeah.
Now when we finish everything is when we put up the road. Believe you me, you won't see any road here. Believe you me, you won't see any road. And then I asked him, so how long have these apartments been here? Like, they can see the construction looks a bit slow and it's like it's even becoming old and people have not even moved in yet. Then he has told me, hey madam, I'm quite new here, but they've been really here for the longest. Maybe like 3 years. That's what I've been told. And then I've told him, boo, based on my judgment, to be honest, they look like they'll take some 6 more years, 6 more months.
6 more months.
Boo, do you know, have you seen he outside? To stack up that place with cabra and stuff to do a good job. And to do this finishing.
The wall and all
and then I was looking at these windows on this side. I don't know whether it's the kitchen. It's the kitchen. Where I can see the balcony.
There's a belly.
No, leave the belly. You see in between these 2 windows. Looks like the stones have not even been cemented. They've been just pushed. And I was looking at the neatness of this apartment. And this one is very neatly done.
Yeah. Neat finish.
Neat finish. You can see it's very straight and stuff. Anyway, that is just from what I'm seeing.
All right, family. We're just making this video for you to see, and I hope you actually, you know, I mean, when you invest in a property, an apartment, you invest wisely, and you just try to look for a good developer that will, you know, do what they say they're gonna do and say what they're gonna do for me. So that will deliver. So yeah, this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, where Jamaican sister can watch this video and see what is happening, update on our apartment, and so she can know what is happening, family. So that's the reason why I make this video and come look at this apartment to see what is happening. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, family. One love, God bless. I'm out. And if you want to know more about getting a house in in Kenya, my wife has a real estate property management company. We can help you, we can search for you, we can look for you, we can be your eyes while you're not in the country, and advise you and stuff. So just hit us up and we can guide and help you to come back home. I'm out.